Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Medium. Today I came with exercise 9.4 from Data Handling 6th class NCERT. Question number 1. A survey of 120 school students was done to find which activity they preferred to do in their free time. So, preferred activity, number of students. Playing, 45 members. Reading storybooks, 30 members. Watching TV, 20 members. Listening to music, 10 members. Painting, 15 members. Draw a bar graph to illustrate the data taking scale of 1 unit length equal to 5 students. Which activity is preferred by most of the students other than the playing? So, this is the given data. We have to convert this data in the form of bar graph. So, in that bar graph, we have to take a scale of 1 unit length is equal to 5 students. So, first of all, we have to make this data into the bar graph. Then we will get the answer also. So, let's make a bar graph. So, let's start. So, this is horizontal bar graph. Because of for a change, how to draw a horizontal bar graph, you may get confused. For that purpose, I am clearing that horizontal bar graph also. So, let's start here. So, we have to take two axes. So, first of all, take scale. I am taking from here. See, in this line, draw a line. And I am taking here also. Take another line. It is like this. Now, in this axis, I am taking activities. So, this is the line of activity or preferred activity. In this axis, number of students. Now, how much scale they have to choose? They gave how to choose 1 unit length is equal to 5 students, right? So, take scale. I am writing scale here. Scale, that is 1 unit is equal to the 5 students. 5 students. Now, this is the scale. By using this scale, we have to convert this data into the bar graph. Okay. Now, number of students, right? So, start with 0. Take each unit. It means this is the 1 unit. So, let's take this unit as 5. This is 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. It's enough up to 50 because of we are having 45 only. But without any confusion, there is up to 55 is there. No bother about it. Now, let's take preferred activity. In bar graph, we have to take a uniform bar width with a equal amount of spacing and equal amount of width also. So, I am spacing 1 unit and making like these 2 points because of without any confusion, we can get bar graph easily. So, this is 5, 1, 2, 3 and this is 4 and this is finally 5. Okay. Now, first of all, playing up to 45. So, this is the 45 and this is the playing. Put 2 marks at starting and ending. So, we have to connect these 4 points. So, take scale and connect. This is playing by 45 students. You can write it as 45 students also without any confusion. So, next, reading storybooks 30. So, spacing is again 1 unit length and make these 2 points consider up to 30. So, this is the 30 line and this is the line. So, we have to put 2 points like this. See, this is 30 and this is the line. So, now connect these 4 points again. This is up to 30, that is reading storybooks. Reading story books. Now, watching TV 20. So, 20 is here and these 2 points with space. So, this is the 2 points. If you get confused, take the help of scale. Then you will get perfect bar graph also. Again, connect 4 points. So, this is watching TV. Watching TV. Next, listening to music 10. So, this is the 10 and these are the 2 points. So, make again 2 points like this and connect all 4 points. It is listening to music. This is the not to enough for writing, so I am writing here listen to music. Finally, painting 15 members. So this is the 15 and connect all 4 dots. So this is painting. See, this is 45 and this is 30 and this is at 20 and this is at 10. Finally, this is at 15. Now, consider this bar graph. This is the highest, second most, and third, fourth, and fifth. These are the orders of the activities. Now, answer the question. Which activity is preferred by most of the students other than playing? Other than playing, which activity is preferred? Reading storybooks. That is the answer for this question. So, I am writing answer here. Reading story books. This is the answer for this question, and this is the bar graph from the given data. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment on a comment box, click like button, share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.